It's not a vape video, it's not a review of anything. First world problems, that's all that this is. A normal iPod, working iPod. iPad, normal iPad, working, run out of battery. Then the huge one, look at the size of that, it's bigger than my head, look at it. Size of it in comparison. All I wanted to show you and say, I'm not a big fan of iPods and iPads, I don't have an iPhone or anything. If you have an iPhone, you get a cracked screen, don't you? This iPod's had 2 cracked screens. 2 cracked screens. But he's 8 years old. It's going to happen. I understand that. And as I say, it's almost like bog standard. If you've got an iPhone, you're going to get a cracked screen. Normal iPad, never had anything wrong with this, except everyone leaves it uncharged all the time. Down to me to charge it. However, this, look at this. Now, can you see that little mark there? Can you see that? Do you know what that is? All I wanted to show you on this video, viewers, don't forget to subscribe, Adam and Val, is this. Look at it. Someone, we don't know who, no one remembers doing it, has sat on the big iPad. Look how bent that is. Now, I imagine it's probably quite a common issue with these big things, because it's probably quite weak, because it is so enormous. But look at that. Look how, put that round that way. That's not even near straight. It's almost like folded in half. It still works fine. Nothing wrong with it. But you know when something niggles you and annoys you, and it's almost like it's at the back of my head every day. We didn't know this had happened. We went away for a few days. You might have seen the videos at the seaside. Didn't take the iPad, come back, and we noticed it was like that. Now, whether it happened while we was away, there was nobody here to have sat on it or anything. It was just on the table. It hadn't moved. But we noticed it on the table, because as you see, lying flat, it's like, why is that bent? You could almost spin it around. So it's just one of them niggly things that I've never seen before. I mean, I've never had a iPad. As I say, I don't really touch them. But that's crazy, isn't it? Has anyone, point being, has anyone seen one as bent as that and even still working? This is one of them big screens. It's not an 8-inch or a 10-inch. I think it's like a 55-inch HD. Now, I don't know what it is. But it is a massive bend. And I just wanted to show you because it's really, really niggling me. No other reason than that. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. But where else will you get an iPad, an iPod, and then a giant TV screen pretending to be an iPad that's bent like anything? Look at it. I've never seen anything like it. I'm surprised it didn't snap in half. And it worries me because I don't even think I've finished paying for it yet. Oops.